Good morning, Dave from Quarter Flips here. Okay, I'm doing a quick check-in video because I haven't been able to make a video the last couple weeks. I'm going to have a video before the end of the year that's going to explain what's going on, and there is something going on. My sales operation has been impacted greatly. Things have changed a lot, and I'm going to be doing things differently from here on out. The new year is going to look quite a bit different. Not quitting, but I am having to change the way I do things. The video will make it all clear why. But I wanted to do a quick check-in on the 1,000 eBay listing challenge because that was going along really well until I hit this brick wall that changed things. I had to stop listing and focus on some other things to get everything right, to get everything where it needed to be. So I did run my listings up to about 800, and then I had to stop listing and they started to come down. Now they're under 730, so I am not making the progress I needed to make. I was doing well, and I was selling a lot more in that period. Weirdly, I was selling a lot more on eBay, but I was selling a lot less on Discogs. Not just because I wasn't listing there, just Discogs has really shrunk in the amount of sales that are coming in from it, and it's just not the secondary marketplace for me that it used to be. My sales in November was my worst sales month of the year, which was strange because that's where I was doing the big push on eBay for the 1,000 listing challenge. So I think I haven't done a full analysis of this, but I'm pretty sure that's because of Discogs sales not being there. Then I could be wrong. You know, I'll have to do an end of the year analysis this year. It's going to feel a little bit more like an autopsy, but it won't be completely. So yes, I'm not. The changes that are coming, for me, change is difficult. So it has been difficult, but not bad. There's a lot of opportunity in change, and I'm going to have a lot of that to share soon. So still here, still going. The 1,000 listing challenge will begin anew and in earnest in January 2024. What kind of a year is that going to be? It's coming, whether we like it or not. Alright, just want to check in and say hi. Thanks for watching. I'm not even going to do that whole like and subscribe thing. I'll see you next time.